Well, Jesse, I think you were on the air this afternoon for about 5-6 hours straight. Did not get a break, and let's just hope tomorrow night is not quite as active as what we saw.
Tomorrow, it may be another busy day tomorrow.
Yeah.
We saw the tornado outbreak in parts of Nebraska, Iowa. We had tornadoes here in North Texas. Tomorrow may be another one of those really big days. So
weather aware.
Weather aware tomorrow. Now, here in North Texas, on the backside of these storms, we got a ton of pictures from viewers of some interesting looking clouds. You've heard of modest clouds before?
Now I have.
Sure, who has it?
Yeah, who has it? That's not in your lexicon. Look at these.
Oh, wow.
Now, when I go out to school talks, this is a true story. I always do a cloud section, and I show what I call less common cloud types. And this is the one. These are my favorite clouds.
They look like marshmallows.
They're pretty sweet. That's what I hear a lot of kids say. They'll say they look like brains or jellyfish. These are the most popular ones amongst the children, and I think a lot of folks. I see smiles on your faces.
Why.
Yeah.
See, you're all weather geeks at heart.
Oh, wow.
Look at these.
Look at that.
Very cool.
There are more. Absolutely dramatic, awesome cloud cover on the backside of these thunderstorms. I wanted to explain what it is you're seeing here when you see these very cool clouds. Again, modest clouds, you see them on what I say the underbelly of these very strong to severe thunderstorms. Here's a picture of them too. Updrafts take in moisture-rich air into these big thunderstorms, and we had some very big thunderstorms today, and that saturated air gets cooler, and if you remember from school, cooler air is more dense than warm air. So that cooler air, which is saturated above, is more dense. It then drops down and forms these little pouches that we saw. Those very cool images of modest clouds. Again, my favorite clouds. Very cool to see those. Unfortunately, they do typically come with some very intense thunderstorms. Looking ahead to tomorrow, we have another risk for strong to severe thunderstorms, not only here in North Texas, but this very well may be another tornado outbreak in parts of Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, down into Oklahoma. Here we do have the chance to see some isolated tornadoes, especially in western portions of North Texas, where it's a level 3 enhanced risk tomorrow. Otherwise, it's golf ball size hail potential, damaging wind potential. Again, we'll have that tornado potential. We are quiet tonight. Nothing else to worry about overnight tonight. Here's what timecast looks like for the rest of tonight. Nothing. But again, and I'll show you the risk again, we reprime the atmosphere tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening for that potential for strong to severe thunderstorms. Level 2 for the Metroplex tonight. This is for tomorrow. It may change. We may see a shift in where this level 2 and level 3 is, and a level 3 to the northwest. Thunderstorms will come in 2 rounds. The first one, we'll see how this develops in the afternoon, but the first potential for thunderstorms, which could be severe, will be scattered in nature Saturday afternoon. There's 2 p.m. So if these thunderstorms do pop off in the afternoon, they'll have the potential for very large hail and isolated tornadoes. This is 5 p.m. We get into 6 and 7. We still see a scattering of thunderstorms. That's the first opportunity, is tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. The second will be late into the overnight, into early Sunday morning, a more linear fashion of thunderstorms with a damaging wind threat from Brownwood up to Bowie at 3 a.m. into the Metroplex around 4 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. There's 5 a.m. You see the thunderstorms rolling through at 6, 7, and 8. So again, we will have that potential for some strong storms late Saturday night into Sunday. Then they'll re-intensify Sunday afternoon and bring us yet another threat for severe weather on Sunday, especially to the east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. That's where the thunderstorms, see they are some severe thunderstorm potential Sunday afternoon, mainly in eastern portions of North Texas. A busy weekend. Make sure you stay tuned to the very latest on what we're expecting this weekend with severe weather. Tonight, 70 degrees. We are quiet tonight. The thunderstorms are over. Tomorrow, scattered thunderstorms. Some of them will be severe. About a 40% coverage with a high of 82. Higher coverage in the evening. We'll go to about a 90% coverage. We stay unsettled. We stay warm. We stay muggy. It's spring in North Texas. That means thunderstorms. It also means